One Tuesday at 6 a.m., Tom wakes up to his alarm. He sits up, stretches, and yawns. He looks at his calendar and says, "Today's my doctor's appointment. I need a checkup so I can stay healthy and strong." One Tuesday. Hmm. Maybe it is this Tuesday. Maybe it is this Tuesday. Maybe it is this Tuesday. But it is not Monday. It is not Friday. It is not Sunday. It is one Tuesday. One Tuesday at 6 a.m. 6 a.m. 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. In the morning. A.m. in the morning. P.m. in the afternoon or night. At 6 a.m., 6 in the morning, Tom wakes up. Tom is sleeping. Tom wakes up. Wakes up. Tom wakes up. One Tuesday at 6 a.m., Tom wakes up to his alarm. Tom does not wake up to a rooster. Tom does not wake up to knocking. Tom wakes up to his alarm. This is an alarm clock. Some use an alarm clock. Or this alarm clock. Some have an alarm on their phone. Alarm makes noise to wake you up. Tom wakes up to his alarm. He sits up, stretches, and yawns. Tom is sleeping. He wakes up. He sits up, stretches, and yawns. He sits up, stretches, and yawns. He looks at his calendar. This is a calendar. Calendar. He looks at his calendar and says, "Today is my doctor's appointment." Today. Today, for me, it is Monday, October 20th. Today. Right now. Today. Tomorrow will be October 21st. Today is October 20th. Tom says, "Today is my doctor's appointment." This is a doctor. Appointment. I call. "Hello, I want to see the doctor." Okay, Tuesday at 7:30. Okay, thank you. Tuesday at 7:30. Doctor's appointment. This day, this time on the calendar. Appointment. He looks at his calendar and says, "Today is my doctor's appointment. I need a checkup to stay healthy and strong. I need food to live." I need food. Yes, I need food. I need water. I want a cookie. I want a cookie and ice cream. But I do not need a cookie and ice cream. I need food, but I want a cookie. I want ice cream. I need a checkup to stay healthy and strong. I need a checkup. What is a checkup? When you go to the doctor will check. Let's see. I will check your eyes. Okay, the eyes are good. I will check his mouth. Yes, his mouth is good. I will check his heart. Pompo, pompo. Yes, your heart is good. I will check your lungs. Yes, they sound good. Checkup. Uh-oh, I check his leg. His leg is not good. A checkup. Check, 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 check. Okay. Tom says, I need a checkup to stay healthy and strong. This boy is not healthy. He is sick. He is sick. But he is healthy. She is not healthy. She is sick. She takes medicine and then she is healthy. Healthy and strong. Strong. Tom wants to be healthy and strong. He needs a checkup. Tom says, today is my doctor's appointment. I need a checkup to stay healthy and strong. Okay, all together. One Tuesday at 6 a.m., Tom wakes up to his alarm. He sits up, stretches, and yawns. He looks at his calendar and says, today is my doctor's appointment. I need a checkup to stay healthy and strong. Great job. See you next time.